Hello guys and welcome to Jenix Travel Vlogs. In this video I'm gonna show you how to get your drone registrations for Thailand so you can get shots like this. So, in most countries if you wanna fly a drone, you just fly a drone, as easy as that. Unfortunately, in Thailand is a different story. You cannot fly a drone without the registration. And if you caught flying without the registration, you'll get a fine up to 100,000 baht, or even worse, 5 years in prison. And trust me, you don't want to get that. So in this video, I will show you 3 easy steps to get your drone registered in Thailand. And you'll be happy to hear that 2 of the steps you can complete even before arriving to Thailand. So let's jump straight forward to step number 1. In the first step, you need to do drone insurance. You go to Google, you type Thailand drone insurance. Now here you'll find plenty of companies that offer insurance. I myself choose the FEIC. I've been suggested to go on this one. You click on that. And here you offer 3 different insurance options. I myself choose the cheapest one, which is for 1,600 baht, and it's valid for 1 year. And the most important part is its total liability 1 million baht. You apply on this, you fill your information and your drone information, you submit, and you will receive a mail for payment. You pay for this, and then you get another link for filling more information, and after 1 or 2 days you will receive your insurance certification. All the information uncovered in this video you can find on FEIC, all the explanation of the process of registration, like making the insurance, the flying rules of drones in Thailand. Basically every drone that have a camera you need to register and make an insurance. And yes, also the drones that weigh less than 250 grams. And here you can find both offices that you need to register to get your permission flying in Thailand, which is CAAT, which stands for Civil Aviation Authority of Thailand, and NBTC, which is the broadcast office, and which is lead us to step number 2. In step number 2, you need to cite your drone in CAAT, as I mentioned before. Now you need to do it as soon as possible because it takes up to 15 days for them to approve. In all the documents you need to send them, you need the drone insurance. That's why we made it in the first step. You go to their website, you go to register in the foreign, and you need to fill the paper for all the information about you as a drone pilot, your address, the drone information, serial numbers and stuff like this. And in the next step you will need to attach 1 PDF file that includes all the documents required in 1 PDF. And this is the example of in which form you need to attach it. Here you got the self-declaration, you need to cite here. This paper you can also find in their website. You need to get your copy of your passport. Also, if you need a copy of your drone controller passport. My drone is 5 years old, so I don't have this one. Also, you need to include a picture of your drone, a picture of your control, including a picture of the QR code with a serial number. After you registered your drone in CAAT, you can follow your status by going to menu and history. And as you can see, I failed twice before I get the requested approval, and that's happened because I've sent the invalid document, which was only the passport. And as I showed you before, you need to send 1 PDF file including all the documents required. And eventually, as you can see, my request approval, and I got it in extremely fast, like 2 working days. This worked great. And here you can see the print of your approval of the CAAT, and this is basically sums up step number 2. Okay guys, it's time for step number 3 for the registration of our drone in Thailand. we just arrived to Bangkok airport, and now when we have the stamp of the visa, we can fill the website in the NBTC registration. You fill all your information here, including all the documents required, including the stamp of the visa, which is here, arrival immigration stamp. By the way, here you choose the option, hold on a second, temporarily imported into the country, and no visa, okay? And you send it. That's all, guys. We will wait for a few days to get the payment, then we pay in the bank, and that's basically all the process of getting registered our drone in Thailand. So in the registration I had some complications with the address of our hotel, and it's also taking from 5 to 7 days to register, so I made a decision. We came here to their office in Bangkok, and they accepted, they helped me, they were very polite, very helpful. So now everything left to do is to pay the 200 baht in the bank, and then I get the document in my email. Last one thing, guys, you get the bill to pay the 217 baht fee, and you do it only in the Krung Thai Bank. You pay in the Krung Thai Bank cash, and tomorrow I should receive the final approval to fly my drone. And a day after I received my NBTC registration, and I can legally fly my drone in Thailand. That's it, guys. That was the complete guide of registering your drone in Thailand. Hope this video was useful for you. If you got any questions, comment below. If you want to check out my travel series of Thailand, this will be right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.